Hi friends, welcome to the Windows 10 tutorial series. In this video I will show you guys how to create a new user in Windows 10. So let's get started. Now the first thing you do is that you identify the users on your system. One way of doing that is by right clicking on, first of all, open Explorer or File Explorer, right click on this PC and then click on Manage. So in here you can see that a new window pops open, and in here expand this local users and groups and then click on users. So this shows all the users on the system. So there are 5 users currently on the system. However, these 4 are disabled. So you can see these down arrow icons, these small tiny ones in here. It means that these accounts are disabled. So there is only one account currently enabled, which is this admin account. So what if we want to add a new user account? One way of doing it is by right clicking on it and clicking on new user. So what you can do is that you can type in a username, let's say user01. Let's type for the password, and then let's give it, sorry, this is the full name. So user, let's say the user 01, this is the full name, description. Let's skip that. For the password, let's type this password and then this password again. So these options in here, the first one, it says users must change password at next login. So this user, as soon as this user logs on, if you select this option, it will prompt that user to change his password. Now there is another this option, the account is disabled. So this is used in cases where you are not sure when this user might come in or when this user might use this account. So you don't want this account to be misused. That's why you create it, but you disable it. And later when that particular user comes in your office, or he's your sibling or she is your sibling, or some of your relatives, then you can enable it. So these are the 2 options that you can select. I will not select this one in here. The other one, it says user cannot change password. So it means that once this is the password, it is very insecure password. So if I select this, then the user won't be able to change his or her password. Other than that, this says that the password never expires. So if you select this option, then the password that is set for this user, it will never expire. If I click on create and close it, now you can see that there is this user01 account. Another way of doing it is by clicking this icon in here and then clicking on all settings. Notice this new window that pops up. Now another way of opening this window is by clicking on the start screen and then clicking on this icon in here that says settings. So if you click on this, you can see that the same window opens. So if you click on this accounts in here and then click on this family and other people and then click on add someone else to this PC, so by default it shows this user 101 account which we created previously. This one, where is it? This user 01. In here, if I click on this add someone else to this PC, who is going to be using it, it is, let's say, user 02. Enter password. Again, I'm typing in password for the password, and for the password hint, I'm typing in the password itself. So if I click on next, your password hint can contain your password. So let's change this. Let's type in something like passy. Click on next. It says that please type a different username. Because I already have this, so I change it to user 02. I click on next. Now you can see that this new account has been created, user 02. So if you look at this and let's refresh it. So where is this? Where is the refresh icon? Export list. There is no refresh. So right there it is. Now you can see that I refreshed and there is this user created. Another way of opening this accounts window, you can see that another way of doing that is by opening control panel. So if you open this control panel and click on user accounts, and again click on user accounts and click on this manage user account, manage other account, and then click on this add a new user and PC settings. So if I click on this, notice that this window pops open. So from here again I can add another user. So these are different ways of adding a user using the graphical user interface in Windows 10. So that's how you can create accounts in Windows 10. So this is it for this tutorial, guys. If you have any questions, suggestions, or recommendations, feel free to put it in the comment section below. And if you found this tutorial useful, make sure to share it with your friends, and I will see you guys in the next one.